Break the ice, meaning to start a conversation in a social setting. Example: he told a joke to break the ice at the meeting. Piece of cake, meaning something very easy to do. Example: the test was a piece of cake. Hit the books, meaning to study hard. Example: I need to hit the books tonight for the exam tomorrow. Hold your horses, meaning wait a moment. Example: hold your horses, I will be ready in a minute. Spill the beans, meaning to reveal a secret. Example: she spilled the beans about the surprise party. Bite your tongue, meaning to avoid talking. Example: I had to bite my tongue to stop myself from arguing. Cold feet, meaning to be nervous. Example: he got cold feet before the wedding. Hit the road, meaning to leave. Example: we should hit the road early to avoid traffic. Under the weather, meaning feeling ill. Example: she stayed home because she was feeling under the weather. Once in a blue moon, meaning very rarely. Example: we only see him once in a blue moon. Kick the bucket, meaning to die. Example: the old man finally kicked the bucket. Cut corners, meaning to do something in the easiest or cheapest way. Example: they cut corners to finish the project on time. Jump the gun, meaning to start something too early. Example: he jumped the gun and answered the question before I finished. Break a leg, meaning good luck. Example: you will do great in the play. Break a leg. Cost an arm and a leg, meaning very expensive. Example: the new phone cost an arm and a leg. Hit the nail on the head, meaning to be exactly right. Example: you hit the nail on the head with your answer. Let the cat out of the bag, meaning reveal a secret. Example: she let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. Miss the boat, meaning miss an opportunity. Example: I missed the boat on that job offer. On cloud 9, meaning very happy. Example, she is been on cloud 9 since she got the news.